Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up daily automatic Bitcoin buys on Kraken. So you're gonna hit activity at the bottom right. And at the top left under orders, you're gonna see recurring. You can schedule a recurring buy for any crypto. Alright? And this is a new update. So hit get started. And you're gonna select your assets. In our case, we want to buy Bitcoin weekly or daily, that depends really. So I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna hit Bitcoin right here. And then what you're gonna do, you can just enter the amount in USD, right? And select under the amount or under the price if you want it to be weekly, on time, daily, bi-weekly, or monthly, right? And under the frequency, you can see next buy. If you want to start now or set the time, you can do that and schedule when you want to start, right? And once you enter that price and of course the frequency, you're gonna hit confirm. And now you set $5. For me, I set $5 of Bitcoin to buy every single week. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.